Are you an aspiring digital marketer or someone just curious about how to make a successful career transition into digital marketing? If yes, then you've landed at the right place. Hey everyone, my name is Amber Ray. Welcome back to my channel. Earlier, I had shared with my initial onboarding experience at Digital Scholar's 4-month program. Today, I'm here to share my personal experience with Digital Scholar's advanced digital marketing program, which is basically a 4-month course that transformed my career. From being an SAP consultant in the IT industry to carving my path in marketing, this program was the game changer. I can surely say that. Next up would be a little backstory before I dive into the course actually. So I began my career as a SAP consultant and spent around 2.5 years in the IT sector. But deep down, I always had that, drawn to creativity, branding, and marketing strategy, and all of these creative stuff. So when I decided to make the leap into marketing, I knew that I would need strong foundational skills. That's when I found Digital Scholar, which stood out for its industry-focused curriculum and hands-on approach. Spoiler alert: it did not disappoint. So, if I had to talk about more about the Digital Scholars program, basically, so it's one of the best digital marketing courses based in Chennai, and let me tell you why. So they don't just teach theory, they prepare you for the real world. They also have an online program basically to cater to the rest of India and overseas students. So here are the key modules that actually, completely transformed my understanding of digital marketing and built a very strong, foundation for my digital marketing. Canva, number one. I learned how to design stunning visuals with ease. This model was a lifesaver for someone like me without a graphic design background. Number two was Meta ads and Google ads, basically. Running real ad campaigns, yeah. So basically, they gave us budgets of 750 rupees each for both Meta and Google ads. I got hands on experience managing live campaigns for lead generation and website traffic. So it was a real thing. Next would be SEO and website design. From creating my own website to mastering the on page and off page SEO tactics, these modules were real gold for my personal brand addictive. Landing page optimization. I learned how to build and optimize high converting landing pages with tools like swipe pages, which are a necessity in designing end to end marketing funnels. Next would be marketing automation and email marketing. So I learned how to automate lead generation and create email sequences with tools like Public Connect, Active Campaign, etc. And these are skills that save time and boost your conversions. Lastly, social media and AI tools. From Instagram strategies to developing content calendars to prompt engineering with AI tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, and Ideogram, which is basically for your image generation. The courses gave me next gen marketing skills, basically. One thing which I loved about Digital Scholar was their agency style learning approach, basically. This is something industry first. So the entire batch was clubbed into different agencies where we had to design a landing page for a free ebook, which was basically your lead magnet, and automate the processes of collecting the lead data into Google Sheets first, and then sending them a series of emails to try and convert them into customers for a mock digital marketing course worth 5,000 rupees. They also offered an internship with Ecomi Digital, which is basically their sister agency. Now, this real world exposure was priceless. I worked on actual client projects, gaining experience in SEO, social media marketing, Quora, and YouTube strategy. It is sort of that kind of learning that that sticks because you're not just only studying, you're implementing them right away. So this was a game changer, I could say. Now you might be thinking or wondering, is this course for me? The answer is absolutely. Whether you're a student, a professional, or even someone looking for a career shift like I was, Digital Scholar has something for everyone. So, here's the best part: Digital Scholar offers a free digital marketing course for beginners. So, it's the perfect way to get a taste of what digital marketing is all about and see if the advanced program is right for you. So you can get a hint of on the flavors of that. So what are you thinking waiting for? Click the link in the description, sign up for the free course, and start your digital marketing journey today. Thank you for watching my video, and if you found my journey inspiring or helpful, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on digital marketing and AI. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.